charging me. Look at this. Wow, do you see that? No, do you see what he's doing though? He was turning on a dime, charging me. I don't know if I'm rolling or not. Oh, sweet. He's on the surface. He's going to jump. Woo-hoo-hoo! Stratic, baby. That's 15. I'll tighten your drag a little bit. Got a pelagic? Control your fish, son. It's a nice fish. Head shaking. Yeah, he's raising up like a pelagic. Definitely got a pelagic. There it is. What is it? It's big. What is that? Cobia? Cobia. I'm gonna say. God, I don't know. It's gotta be 33, right? Yeah. You can lip gaff them. I'm gonna go crazy here in a second. Nice fish, man. Just got broke off. Firing down the Berkeley swim bait. Don't even make him anymore. Let's try this again. When it just took off like a rocket. Oh! That's in high def. That could be a keeper. Oh, something's eating him, I think. Ah, little guy. It's a good sign, though. About to get worked. Come on, man. Lift. Go. Come on, man. You gotta turn that handle. You ain't cranking, you're losing. Oh. It's either a gag or a mang. Could be. Oh, Cuda's on him. You got a rod ready for it? He's right here. He's sniffing them. This looks like the one I caught a couple days ago. Woohoo! Oh, come on! Come on, he's gonna find it! Beast mode. Oh, he got him. What broke? I got him. Wow. You see that speed? Bring him this way, bring him this way. Alright, just hang out right there. Oh, it was a mang. Got Matt,
nice booty.
got Matt hooked up.
Nice,
We got like 10-pound test on there. Nice. He's going for the rock. Side pressure! Oh! Wow. You know how we do it. A shout. Nice. I tried to skim it by his head. I was on a pinner off the bottom.
Off the bottom?
Yeah. I did not make it to the bottom. It's, I mean, the bite is right there, man. You know, my dinner bell's going off.
I don't know what it is. It's like rub something on him before he throws him down there or something, I think. I don't know. They're all nice fatties, too.
Ah, that's 21 maybe.
It's 6 to a 5-gallon bucket, and then we got to put him in the yeah, instead of 15. Normally the 5 will hold 15, not today. Get 15 in there for nothing.
Kid got me fired up.
Have you heard what's going on at Walmart?